So this vehicle is amazing. It's absolutely ridiculous. And of course it started off with an amazing family car, but I went to Land Rover Special Vehicle Operations, where you can kind of do all this incredible stuff, bespoke. But I just wanted to push it. And of course some of the stuff I've done is nuts, but also it's genius and amazing. And like, I can literally cook for a whole party on this anywhere. I mean, this car can pretty much get most places. And everything from ice cream machines to butter churners, you know, to the hobs, the sink, spice rack, herb world. You know, I've got all my stuff in there, my pots, my pans. I've got, I mean, it's literally all there. So it's a dream come true, but it actually works. It worked from the rotisserie to the slow cooker. It works. It's amazing. I mean, the most powerful thing you can do for your and your family's health and nutrition is just learn to cook. And if you get on that journey, that's it. You know, knowing how to turn a pile of ingredients into a lovely, delicious dinner. That's the spirit. That's the fun. That's where you can kind of make an event out of anything. And, you know, in a way, that's kind of, you know, what we've really done here is just kind of have fun with the concept of a picnic, taking food on the road, you know. But, you know, cooking real food is so much better, so much more nutritious, so much more fun than opening a pack or kind of pressing a button on a microwave. So yeah, I think for me, the biggest luxury of all is knowledge. The knowledge to cook. It's brilliant. So the history of me and Land Rover is really, I've always been a customer. I've got one of the first Land Rovers that I've always had, but you know, I use them and now more so than ever, got a massive family. The 7-seater is absolutely integral for me getting to A to Z. And traveling around with so many kids can be quite stressful, so this is really good. Today came about really about launching this service here, which, you know, they've developed this new area where they can do a ridiculous bespoke service for customers that want to kind of take it to the next level. Obviously, I've taken a little bit of permission and stretched it a mile. And, you know, as funny as it is, like, I'm actually pretty serious, honestly, about most of it. You're gonna have to work out if you think I'm joking or not, but I'm pretty serious about all of it. I love the idea of pushing designers and technology, and I love the way that transport and food makes life exciting. And if you think, what is he talking about? I'm talking about, you know, going to see families, picnics, you know, how you kind of explore and shop. And obviously, some of my demands are quite demanding or unrealistic, but you can be the judge of that. I think you'll think that a lot of them are quite sensible. So when I get the car, I will launch it to my own family. Welcome to your father's world. They'll only care about Wi-Fi and USB cables, really. Do you know what I mean? But they'll have heated seats. So they have whinged a lot for years when I'm all kind of like toasty warm at the front and they're freezing at the back on a winter's day. So that'll be good. But Buddy, my little boy, like he will love. He loves eating and he loves engineering and he loves gadgets. And even before I even upgraded any of this lovely Discovery, it already had loads of incredible little caverns and hidden little compartments and cool tech. So he's gonna love it. I mean, they're all gonna go mad.
Yeah.
Take it to Cornwall. Imagine what we do in Cornwall with this.
Yeah.
So Jamie, do you want to ask everyone what they think of it and then wrap it up?
For me, this is like heaven.
Which one?
Anyone you like.
Let's give Ribs a little bit. Have some of the chicken then, bud, if you're not sure about your chicken.